Hey guys, so if you decide to get the Proform 500 SPX, so the resistance, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the resistance. So this is your resistant adjuster, and also if you push down, it will stop this from moving. Okay, so you're resistant. So if you want less, you go this way. You know, you have to test it yourself. If you want more, you go this way. See, plus and minus. So basically what that does, if you look at this little plate right here, if you go less, so I'm going this way, this screw goes up and it doesn't hit the plate. So if you go more, you can see that the screw, the bolt is going down and is pushing onto that plate, which will be harder to spin the wheel. Okay, so it's up to you how much of the resistance you want to hold. So if you want less, you go back and you can see the plate going up. See it? So this is how you set how hard or soft you want the wheel to spin. So basically, if I take off all the way, take off the resistance all the way, so it's going to be all the way up, this pedal will turn fast. See? Yeah. Soft. So now if I put the resistance hard, okay, can't even move it. Very hard. Very hard. See that? So let's loosen it. So it gets very hard, so it's up to you. So now I want to show you, if I go fast and I want to stop it, I'll push down and you see it stopped. So give you a better view. Do it again. Okay, see the resistor? Push down, it will stop. So that's how that works. Awesome. Any question, comment below, like and subscribe.